everyone. Hope everyone's doing well today. Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone having a blessed day today. And this is Miss Lena. And I'm coming to you this morning. I'm going to first do my Bible scripture. And I'm going to be taking it from the 27th Psalms. The Lord is my light and my salvation. The Lord is the strength of my life. Psalms 27 and 1. Psalm 27 and 1. Thank you. Now I'm getting ready to start doing this.
Yeah, she's getting ready to do her second part of her decorating series for Christmas. This is part 2. She's finna get ready to clean and decorate the dining room.
All right, thank you so much. So I'm going to first start with the tree that I will be finishing. Try to finish the tree.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today.
Okay, y'all, she's starting on the small tree.
All the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you.
Decorating the trees. And now she's going to start the cleaning.
Okay, I'm getting ready to clean out the top of the table for the ready to
Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you.
She using lemon ones, the lemon flavor, y'all.
Merry Christmas to you. Oh, Merry Christmas to you.
She's gonna do her tablescape. Yeah, sorry it's thundering and real loud.
Hey, Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the
I've got the placemat and the center piece on also. So now I'm going to be pulling.
Okay, y'all, this is what she has.
Okay.
And these came from a subscriber.
Huh?
These right here came from a subscriber.
And my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight.
Now I'll be making my little tree cut on the end of it.
Santa, sleigh bells ringing and my friends by my side, but it's not the same. Santa, I'm smiling but feeling empty inside, 'cause all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride. And I will wait here by the candlelight. But his love is all I need. And my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight. Oh, 'cause his love is all I need. And my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight. Tonight.
Okay, y'all, she got these glasses from Ross last year. She have one got broke, so we just gonna use the two. We still have three.
Three, and then I'll correct them.
Okay, these candles also came from a subscriber too, y'all. Awesome subscriber. Thank you. You know who you are.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains and the mountains
These
in
glasses came from
flight,
Ross, y'all. They was $5.99 a piece.
echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
She finna put the silverware on there, the one I told you to have. Subscriber bought her. Beautiful gold case. Beautiful. So y'all, this is what she has so far.
Come to Bethlehem and see
Hope everyone liked her decoration. For
him whose
Tablescape.
birth the angels sing. Come adore on bended knee Christ the Lord, the newborn King. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
Oh, it's the one I had got
Yeah, here's her tablescape she made today. The reindeers come from Dollar Tree. Y'all please like and comment. Working hard for y'all.
Mary
tablescape. Here's our tablescape. Okay. So here's our tablescape, everyone. Okay.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down.
Okay, y'all. Y'all have mixed make churros like we do.
But as long as you're around,
We have churro covers. We get
everything
different
will
churro covers.
be
Some churro covers we get from
okay.
Amazon.
'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just
Move the
us
tree
and
over
no
there.
one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is
Okay, y'all. She decided to move the two little trees side by side. So that's what she's doing now. Working on moving the smaller trees. I think that's prettier.
Is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment.
Okay, y'all. And this other part of her dining room is the Lena's Village, where her subscriber named Lena Nation Lenasville. A lot of her subscribers call it. So this is she's not quite finished with it. She's waiting on the rest of the road to come in and the sidewalk, and then she'll be done. So here it is. Then we'll put a sign up there saying Lena's Nation. So here's her. Oh, and then have to finish that. Gonna be snow coming down. Then that'll be it. Okay.
Okay, everyone. This is the second part of my Christmas cleaning and decorating for 2023 in the dining area. Also with my room village. But this is the dining area. Part 2. We'll come on with both. We get part 3 done sometime during the week for the kitchen area. So I hope you all will enjoy this. I like viewing this one. Thank you.
Okay, y'all. This is the tree. Okay, y'all. And this is the finished trees. Y'all please like and comment on her video and let her know that y'all appreciate her hard work. I really appreciate it. And these trees came from Five Below. They was $5. Alright, y'all. And the Christmas, Lena's Nation, Lenasville. Here it is, y'all. So I hope y'all really enjoyed this. And here's Miss Lena's Cafe. All right, you'll see more when you do the home. We do the home tour. Okay.
Okay. I thank you all so much. And hope you get this video and hope you will enjoy it. We've been trying to get it done together for a few days, but We finally got it together, and I want you all, please, to watch it, and you will enjoy it. Thank you so much. Miss Lena's Home, 2023. Thank you so much. Goodbye with all my love.
Okay, this is it with the lights off, y'all. Very cozy. Her dining room. And here it is, y'all. Thank you.